To edit the dispatch settings for a driver, please open driver profile, then go to dispatch, and you should see a menu where you can select and add the dispatch settings for this driver. You can select a dispatcher to whom this driver will be assigned. You can also select a truck and a trailer for the driver. And in case the driver is on vacation, or in case you know that he will be available at certain date in the future at a certain location, then you can add it here. So let's say that this driver will be available on 16th and will be available at his home address in Houston, Texas. So let's say that we have the list, we have this location saved in our list, but if you, for example, do not have it and would like to select it from the list of locations suggested by Google or found on Google, then you can select it. And in this case you will see also the menu for adding a new location. You just have to check that all the data here is correct. Okay, then you can add some dispatch notes. Let's say does not do hazardous materials. Okay, and save the settings once everything is filled in. So the location and the availability date are not compulsory. This was just an example for you to know how to do this. So I will remove them. Okay, now you can connect the driver to an ELD. If you have a connected ELD provider for your organization, and if this driver is connected to that ELD, then you can connect it also on TruckDash. So let's try to connect it. Here, from the list of ELD providers, you can select the ELD provider. In this case it's Motive, and click on Connect. Normally you should get a green notification that the driver has been successfully connected. But if the connection fails, then there might be several reasons. First of all, you have to check that this driver is available at this ELD provider and is added to your organization there. Then you have to check if the driver license number and the driver license state is correct. Make sure that there are no typing error here, no empty spaces, or there is no difference between the driver license number from here and the driver license when you log in, for example, to your ELD provider and check this driver, because the system usually identifies the driver based on driver license number and state. But sometimes it may also happen that the name is wrong or some other issues. So make sure that the name, but first of all the driver license number and state are correct. If you want to disconnect the driver from the ELD, just click disconnect from the same menu and the driver is disconnected. You can save again the changes just to make sure that everything is saved into the database. That's it.